Welcome guys, in this video we are going to create the document Word with a table. The first we must do is create a Word template file in the SharePoint folder. We are going to close and refresh the page. We can see the document file, and now we are going to open using the desktop app. Once we have the Word file open, we need check in the ribbon tool if the developer tab is there. In case of the tab there isn't, we must to go to options. Click on customize ribbon, and in the right side we can see the developer option. We mark the option after this, click on OK to finish, and we can see the developer tab right now. Okay, the second thing we must do is create the necessary controls for our document, and we are going to create a template similar to an invoice. To make this, we need a data source. For this example, we're going to create two SharePoint lists, products and invoices. I'm going to modify and create some columns for this example. Okay, we are going to create some products here. Okay, and now I'm going to create the invoice list. I'm going to modify this column. We need a lookup value to related relate the invoice with the product. Okay. Oh, I forget something. Allow multiple values. Okay. Just I want to create one invoice just to verify the all fields works fine. Okay, and now we need modify our document template to we can use it after. So I'm going to insert a picture. Okay, so we need to create the necessary controls. We need click to plain text content control to insert simple text without rich text. And okay, click in properties to assign a name. And now we modify the properties. Now I'm going to create first the table. In this case, only we need two columns for the table. In case what you need more columns, just to select the columns that you need to for your example. In this case, only we have two. And product name and price. I'm going to insert the controlled for the product name in this case. Okay, and the price as well. So we need to the total of the invoice in the end to the end of the document file. Okay, now I'm going to configure these controls to the to the Power Automate. It can create the table row by row. We need select. We select hold the entire row, and in the developer tab we need to click on repeating section control in this case. And now we need click in the section, the whole section, and go to the developer, click on properties and invoice line. In this case, for this control. Click on OK. And now just to close the document. Okay, and now we need to create a Power Automate to we can create the document worth with the invoice information. So we're going to go to the flows and we are going to create the automate flow and select when an item is created. Click on create. And now we need to select the SharePoint site, the right SharePoint site, and click the select the invoices SharePoint list. And now we need to use the action related with the worth online. In this case, populate a Microsoft Word template. Click on there. Yeah, and okay, I'm going to click in enter custom value because I can see the SharePoint list, the SharePoint site, sorry. Hey, that's right. And we need select, I'm sorry. Okay, it's okay. Documents, and this is the Word document template. So we need to wait a little because we can see the populate fields. Invoice line, invoice to, invoice from, invoice total. In this case, we can see that we need modify the SharePoint invoice line to add the new columns about of to and from. Okay. And now, okay. We need to set these values in this case. Oh, okay. We need to set first to see the new columns created previously. We are going to select to from the total invoice. We need to calculate first. In the case of the invoice line as well. So we need to get the to get the products related with the invoice. So we need the get items and exercises. Okay, click on the products, and we need to filter the products. ID equals okay, and we need check how do we need to send the invoice line to the Word template. So for this, we need to click in the add new item, write some things, another one, and now we can click in this icon to see in this case how to send the information to the work template. In this case, for each we need to create in a write variable. So okay, into the for each we need a append to array. Select the array in this case. We need the how to okay. Select this, copy this and paste it. And now we need to select the right property from the get items. We need that, in this case, the title and the product price. Okay. And now we need to delete this. Select the inbox line again. Oh, remove this. And just to select the array invoice lines, set this, and to calculate the total price, we need another variable. In this case, type float. set zero value. Okay. And we need increase action, increment variable, total price, and select the price. Just to need convert the price to a number. So go to the invoice total and select the total price. We need to save this. Okay, once we finish the word template customization, in this case, we are going to create an invoice in the SharePoint list, and after check the final result about the invoice. So the last action we need in this Power Automate is create the document Word in a specific folder in SharePoint or maybe OneDrive. In this case, we are select the SharePoint to create the file. In this case, we are going to create the file name with a with value, and the file content must be the previous action about the populate a Microsoft Word template, and save. So we need going to the SharePoint site to create an invoice. To click on save, and we need to wait a little to the Power Automate runs. So just to refresh the history of the Power Automate. Okay, we can see the flow runs fine. So we need to check if the document Word it was created in the documents. I I I I forgot something about the file. We need to write the extension file in this case. So we dot click and save. I'm going to run the previous execution about the SharePoint Power Automate. Okay, go to the documents, refresh a little, and we can see the file. Just to, I'm going to open using the text app. And we can see the values about the from to the product name, the price of the products, and the total price. As we can see, it's the same information we have in the SharePoint list. This is today's video, and see you the next one.